Test 1 2 check. Test 1 2. Try it. 1 2 3 4.
Where does one start? At the beginning, I'm guessing. Yeah. Sorry about the sniffles. Spent a little too much time in and out of the house. How do they want me to get this open? So, the beginning, I believe, is going to be, well, I had these. I see you are crooked as all get out. I'm gonna have to do something with that. So anyways, so I had in the past, wow, really? Holy smokes, it's just plastic, come on! $3 for something else. It had no good way of moving it other than putting dollies underneath it. It was a cabinet on the backside. They had wheels that were old school furniture wheels that, you know, never ever worked in their life. Because that used to be on the other side of this wall. I didn't want that there because I wanted a doorway here. They're black now. The old ones, yeah, that cabinet was a little big. I could bend that back someday. Not really worried about it. And another one had a broken wheel, which you can't replace. But that's okay, about 2 more. They're $8.50 a piece. Not that big of a deal. I've had these for like 4 years. And yeah, they work. But first and foremost, the guy's got to go ahead and just start sweeping up a little bit with some clean sweep that is pretty dry, because I didn't just come out of the bag, it's been sitting in here. But it's okay.
1 2.
Oh, I still gotta move the wood that's behind you, so be careful you don't trip on it. And broom. Broom, broom. Okay, that's enough of that. That's gotta get moved. This ain't going to need, I think, I don't know, cutting the tile, not sure. Skill saw, maybe, yeah, but we'll see. So I'm gonna start laying these down, starting over this side here and going that way. I'll stop somewhere here. I gotta do laundry, so I can't be plugging, disconnecting, and I gotta get a couple of those laundry done. So I'm gonna clean this up, and then we'll, yeah. I got a dolly, but it's a small or collapsible one. It's a nice dolly, but it's not designed for, yeah. I like it. Man, sniffles. GoPro, stop recording. Garbage bag. Hey, a little tip here. These are the great value ones. Oh, you buy the nice ones, right? Flex and all that. This is that. Little handle, pull strings. You try it once in a while and you're like, well, let's see. And see how they work. Actually, they work pretty good. So you know what? You save $1. I buy the big double roll box that you can open the top and slide one out. And yeah. All right, I guess. Well, I gotta roll it over there. I might as well sweep it. Spider webs. Better in half than nothing at all. Oh, you know what? Skip my. Oh, but that's not gonna my roller. But that's not gonna work. I think I know what I need. I was gonna bring it down here. And I'm just gonna pause you all for a second. And I'm gonna get it and see if you recognize it. Any of you out there. Okay? The old workmate. That's right. I gotta remember how to open this up. It's really easy, but I just never remember. I'm open with the legs folded up that it is short enough. Remember. Use this one here. It'll work, it'll catch it. That's what we're looking to do, is to catch it. because you obviously can't cut it this way. I mean, it could, but it would pinch. Boy. Red oak trim. Colonial trim. Well, that what you're seeing right there, you can't really see it. No, you probably can't see that. That's red oak. Oh boy, I got this. Red oak. It's enough for a window somewhere, so it's not that big of a deal. There is oak, but in those, but it's all the what do you call that? Colonial, and you've got ranch. Smooth. It's cheaper. That's why everybody buys it, because it's a lot cheaper. I don't know why. It has to be so much cheaper. All right. No profiling. That's right. We don't profile on this channel.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though
Okay, it's back there. No, that's not. No, not too worried about that right now.
I feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I
What time is it?
that's what guides me the most. You lie, tell me what I want.
Yes it will. Is this become in handy? We'll see. Okay. Oh,
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. I'll do what I want.
Nice and easy. Way better respect the rest of us. Let's keep it casement. Who knows? Oh, that might be from the original. We'll say 2 times.